Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open a copy of a file by default on macOS. This is using a feature called Stationery Pad, and it allows you to make a copy of a file when you open it on macOS by default, rather than having to get you to save a copy manually each time. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, what it means to open a copy of a file by default in macOS is for when you open a file, it will then keep the original, but then it will also make a copy of it, and that will be the one you're editing. So this is great if you want to have a template for something and you want to change it up each time, especially if you're making invoices or things like that. So this can be done with any file on your Mac, but today I've got an example file here. So I've got this file called Take Notes. Now this is just using a template on Microsoft Word that I found that's made for taking notes on different things. And we're going to use this as our demo file. So what you need to do is get any file that you have. So it doesn't have to be a Word doc. It could be a HTML file. It could be a Photoshop file. It could be a wide range of different things. Then you right click on it, and then you go to Get Info. Now, in the Get Info page, what you need to do is under General, so if it's not already open, click down on General, and then tick the box that says Stationery Pad. If we click that, turn on Stationery Pad, and what this will mean is if we close out of this, you can see our Take Notes file here. We're going to double click on it. You'll hear it makes the copy sound, and then it's going to open a Word doc, but this time it's called Take Notes Copy. And now we can continue to work on this document and make some changes, and then we'll save it like so, and then we can close it, and then there is our copy file here. So this is the original and this is the copy. If we open the copy, it'll go back to the copy, and we can continue to edit and make changes to it and save it like so. But if we go back to the Take Notes original, if I double click on it again, it's going to make another copy, and now we've got the original file. So you can see it doesn't have any of the changes I just made, and you can see it's now opened Take Notes Copy 2. So I can delete out all this stuff and put some more random stuff in there and save it again, just for one more demo. Close out of it. Now we've got Take Notes Copy 2. I can open that up and edit it like so. And then if I need to make another copy of the original document, double click on it again, copy it again, and then it goes back to the original document. So no matter what edits I make on the other documents, it will always have my copies saved here, and then I can rename them to whatever I want to make it work out well for this. So these are all my copies here, and I can rename them like so. But this is my stationery pad. Now, let's just delete these for now. And if I want to turn off opening a copy of it, all we do is the same process in reverse. We right click and then go Get Info, and then untick Stationery Pad. And then it will go back to just opening it like a normal Word document, and then I can make changes to it and save it if I would like to. So yeah, that's a really simple process on how to make a file a stationery pad on macOS, meaning that it will open a copy of the file by default every time you double click on it, which is really helpful if you need a template for something. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful and you've had some great success in making a file a stationery pad on macOS. I can tell you I didn't know this feature existed before this video, so I've learnt a lot as well. Thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see any more tips and tricks videos on macOS, and if there's any particular areas you'd like me to focus on, because I'm more than happy to make those videos if you'd like to see them. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.